Narito ang ating mga may karangalan upang magbahagi ng kanilang inspirasyon. Tawagin po natin si Zaira Olin Eloise P. Macariola, Kinder Maine Gold Medalist.
School principal, teachers, parents, and my fellow movers, good morning. My name is Zaira Olin Eloise P. Macariola. On behalf of the kindergarten class 2024-2025, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of the people behind our success. I want to thank my wonderful family for their unwavering support. Your sacrifices, love, and encouragement have brought me to this moment. To my teachers, Teacher Ren and Teacher Maris, you both made my school days very exciting. You taught us not just to read, write, and count, but to be kind and brave too. To my classmates, thank you for the memories and friendship that we have shared. To my school, St. Matthew Academy of Cavite, thank you for providing us an excellent education. Most of all, thank you, Papa Jesus, for giving us wisdom and strength. And my fellow movers, congratulations! May we continue to shine brightly as we move forward to the next chapter of our life. Thank you and good morning.
Yay! Oo nga, oo nga.
Thank you so much, Zaira.
Nasa screen?
Na ngayon, tawagin naman po natin si Malia Cassie A. Pantaliano, Nursery Maine Gold Medalist.
Yay!